Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we are at the Dillon Law Firm, and we are installing a fiber cable from the back of the building in the basement level to his network room. They just got fiber internet, 1 gig down, 1 gig up, to switch them over from monkey brains to fiber internet. Let's check it out.
Guilty as charged.
The tape didn't break. The jacket of the Cat 6 broke.
Slid right out.
It's like about 4 fucking feet from the end. We're there now.
Yeah, he's gonna take some glow rods apart, and once he gets them all off, then he's gonna start yanking it off.
Okay. Right here.
Bring your ladder over to Jacoby, Brian. I got it right here. Good.
That first conduit pull is the exact length of our nylon. It was like at the very end. It's like, oh God, I hope it's there.
Because we got to go into here and then into,
And basically down to the where the cart is, that far wall.
That's some quality A+ wire management right there.
Christ, seriously, they even have a rack, and they still. That's how it becomes.
So what is it?
To terminate fiber. Peel off the cladding. It goes in there. And that goes on. There. Okay. There's one. Fiber. Isn't that cute?
I'm glad that you're very entertained by that.
this is brains. It's got that monkey.
Yeah.
That's the internet provider out here in San Francisco called Monkey Brains.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He has light down there.
All right, that's it. We ran the fiber. Dillon Law Firm. Getting 1,000 megs up, 1,000 megs down. Internet. Easy peasy. See you guys in the next one. Later. Guilty as charged.
So we did an amazing install here.
We did amazing
Case closed.
install. Case closed. We're done. Abow. Abow. Okay, that's it. Was it recording the whole time?
Yeah.